Stroke and the heart attack are #1 killer of the modern man right now. In today's video, I'm gonna give you my special recipe for the drink that can help you a lot, preventing blood clots, also preventing stroke or heart attack in a very natural way. If you watch it at the end of the show, I'm gonna give you another video that is gonna be best vitamin for your heart health and preventing blood clots that you will find at the end of the show. This drink is called Hawthorn berry tea. Intended use: support cardiovascular and the brain health by improving blood flow, strengthening heart muscle, protect brain function, prevent blood clots and reducing blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried hawthorn berries, 1 cup boiling water, honey optional. Preparation: place dry hawthorn berry in a tea infuser or directly in a cup. Put boiling water of the berries and cover the cup. Steep for 15 minutes. Remove the infuser or strain the tea. Sweeten with honey if you desired. How to use: drink 1 to 2 cups daily to support heart health. Hawthorn berry tea is especially beneficial for those with a family history of cardiovascular disease and boost your brain power. Hawthorn berry is one of the best plants in the world, especially for the heart and the blood vessel. It prevents heart attack and the stroke in a natural way. Usually, if you don't take any kind of medication, drink it through the whole year with the right spirit, of course, and you will be preventing more serious diseases of the modern world that are stroke and the heart attack. If you want to find out what is the best vitamin that can help you a lot for removing blood clots and preventing a heart disease or stroke, click on the video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.